Hello everybody, SAF Info here. Hope you are well. Today we'll talk about how to delete all Facebook friends in one click. So let's start. First of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it and go to the friends section and go to your friends option, and here you can see all the friends list here. So if you want to unfriend someone, you have to click on the three dot menu and have to click on the unfriend someone. So if you want to unfriend all of friends in one click, unfortunately Facebook didn't give you or don't give you these types of option in this time. So uh, I told you that Facebook uh, give you Facebook didn't give you these types of option, but there have an option that you can unfriend all those friends, all of friends in one click. But in basically on a Chrome add-on, with a Chrome add-ons. But if you use these types of add-on with basically Chrome browser, or if you use any add-ons, immediately Facebook will block your account, or Facebook will disable your account. So I hope you uh, when you don't want to disable your account. So try to unfriend with these three buttons. So that's all for today. Don't trust those videos which show you how to remove Facebook friends with one click. Otherwise your Facebook account will be blocked or disabled and you can't use Facebook anymore. So use the simple way with a long time if you want to uh, use Facebook every day. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If it helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tricks and tricks. Goodbye.